This time we are in Nisar Khasman Dawakhana, Kashmir in near Qatilga Sharif. I brought here many patients. Those are suffered in many disease, many kinds of disease, but now they are recovered quickly. She have jadi booty medicines for high blood pressure, sugar, head pain, half head pain, ribs, backbones, shoulders, foot pains, kidney stones, and lung and liver pains also. And those people who cannot walking or walking but coming tired, cannot upstairs walking mountain areas, rocks and zigzag place and beautiful place of Baltistan Valley. So he have also good medicine for this all.